Okay, so here's a tip on Hyperdent. When you run a calculation, you're going to get an estimate here, and if you haven't calibrated this estimate, it could be wildly off the mark. So for these 4 crowns, the estimate is 1 hour, 4 minutes, and 50 seconds. So the way to start getting Hyperdent to give you really accurate predictions is to go into settings and then machine settings, and then you've got this file here. If we start to edit it and you look down here, you've got this thing called factor G1, and I've input 1.54, and I will show you how to calculate that. So the formula is really simple. It is actual divided by predicted. So my actual will be from the machine when it's done. In this case, it's a IMES 150i. When this job is done, I'll look at the total time it took. I'll convert that into seconds. So like 60 minutes times that's 3600 plus 240 plus 50, and then I will divide actual from the machine in seconds divided by predicted, getting that from Hyperdent, and then I'll come in here and I'll go to settings, machine settings, edit, and I'll input that number right here, and then I'll click apply. What that will do is it'll allow Hyperdent to get a better, a more accurate prediction on your milling time, which is nice to have up front. One other tip, same menu here. One more thing here, tool change. The default here is 10 seconds. Your machine may not take that, so recommend you actually stopwatch the time it takes for the machine to change tools, and you can enter that in here for an even more accurate time.